Let's talk about the latest launched on a smartphone, Magic 6 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K LTPO LED curved display, 6.80 inches Full HD plus punch hole cutout display, resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels, 19.69 to 9 aspect ratio, 91.6% screen to body ratio. Approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 5000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and Durino glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 23mm OIS wide-angle camera, along with 180 megapixel OIS 2.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom periscope telephoto camera, and with 50 megapixel 13mm ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies, it has dual camera setup on the front that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 3D depth camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex-X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 75.8 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 225 or 229 grams. And the color options: Killian Snow, Sea Lake Green, Wheat Wave Green, Flowing Cloud Purple, Velvet black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging, 66-watt wireless charging, wireless reverse charging, 5-watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with 3D face recognition. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, infrared remote control, and with IP68 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Magic 6 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 5,699 Chinese yuan, and around $801 US, and expected 223,999 Pakistani rupees, and expected 66,999 Indian rupees, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 6,199 Chinese yuan, and around $871 US, and expected 242,999 Pakistani rupees, and expected 72,999 Indian rupees, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 6,699 Chinese yuan, and around $942, and expected 262,999 Pakistani rupees, and expected 78,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor Magic 6 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.